Good morning, Chairwoman Maloney, Ranking Member Comer, and members of the committee. I'm Erin Hawley, Senior Counsel for Alliance Defending Freedom. The Supreme Court's decision in Dobbs corrects a 50-year wrong, one that resulted in the death of over 60 million unborn children. Roe v. Wade was premised on egregious legal errors, and its reversal is a tremendous victory for life and for the American people. Roe cheated us of our ability to promote good policy, but Dobbs restores our opportunity to reaffirm motherhood and, in so doing, to empower women. Roe was terrible constitutional law. It fabricated really, a constitutional right from thin air, and scholars across the political spectrum believe the case was wrongly decided. Roe took from the American people the ability to protect unborn life in an exercise of raw judicial power. As a result of Roe, the United States has been an extreme outlier in abortion law, being one of only a few countries like China and North Korea, to allow elective abortion for any reason up until the moment before birth. Tragically, Roe was as wrong about women as it was about the Constitution. Its 7 male authors lamented that motherhood, quote, forced upon women a bleak and distressful future. But moms across the country know that's an inadequate description of what we do and who we are. With Dobbs, Americans can begin to undo the damage of that devastating lie. On behalf of Alliance Defending Freedom, I had the privilege of serving as counsel to Mississippi and Dobbs. My daughter was about 6 months old when I was asked to help, and it's not easy traveling with a baby, but my job allowed me to take her along, encouraged it really, something we should see far more of today. Abigail was a tiny but tangible reminder of why Dobbs matters, because every life is unique and valuable. While being a parent is hard and immensely more difficult for single parents without community support, moms across the country attest that it is worth it. And for women who are reluctant to parent, there's also hope. At any given time, 1 million families are enthusiastically waiting to adopt. There is no such thing as an unwanted child. In another lie to the American people, Roe told women that their baby is merely potential life. But scientific evidence establishes that life begins at conception. At just 6 weeks, unborn babies' hearts begin to beat. At 8 weeks, they have fingers and toes. And at 10 weeks, their unique fingerprints form. Yet, without a hint of irony, pro-abortion activists posit that the reversal of Roe treats women as objects, as less than full human beings. However, it is abortion that treats babies, including female babies, as mere objects, even while science establishes that they are fully alive and fully human, no matter how tiny they are. The truth is that Roe was not the pro-woman opinion that some imagine. In a patriarchal passage that the pro-abortion left would rather forget, Roe gave to a woman's doctor the ability to choose an abortion. As the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg explained, Roe was, quote, physician-centered, focusing on a doctor's freedom to practice his profession as he thinks best. She said, "The picture that I got from Roe was tall doctor and little woman needing his advice and care." Abortion is a horribly inadequate solution to the very real problems that many women face. It often results in greater risk of death and illness. Many women are unsure of their decision, and a majority go on to suffer emotional and mental harm. Additionally, surveys show that women who choose abortion report that they would have chosen life if they had more support. Many companies today are eager to offer to pay for women to end their pregnancies, but how many of them are offering to pay for diapers or childcare or for flexible work options? Dobbs gives women a voice and a vote. It returns the profoundly moral question to the people. It presents an opportunity for America to restore a culture that values families, mothers, and women. Thankfully, we're already seeing state and private entities like the embattled pregnancy care centers step up to surround expecting moms with a caring community and provide families with those diapers, car seats, clothing, housing, educational opportunities, job training, any medical, emotional, and post-abortive care. It has been 3 weeks since Dobbs. We still have questions. But one thing we know, a post-Roe America is a hopeful one. It's an America where we can recognize the inherent dignity and worth of every life and empower women by providing them with the resources they need to flourish through pregnancy and beyond.